Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can use polygel, and I'm going to share with you two techniques. The first one is quite difficult one and the second one the easiest one. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to push your cuticle back. You can use a cuticle pusher. Here I'm using the Kiki London one, and you can use any brand. Then you're just gonna remove the shiny layer from your nail and just use a buffer. You can use any brand buffer. And once you buffed your nail, you're gonna remove all the dust using a cotton pad that's soaked in alcohol or in a nail polish remover. As base coat, I'm using this Born Pretty peel off base coat instead of the one that comes with the PolyGel Kit, because I want to remove them later, so it's gonna be easier for me to remove them. And if you don't have the peel off base coat, you can use any base coat. So yeah, so once you have cured your nail, you're gonna remove the shiny layer again. So I'm using the same buffer to remove the shiny layer, and once I'm done, I'm gonna remove all the dust using a cotton pad again, which is soaked in alcohol nail polish remover. And once I'm done that, you're gonna start measuring your nails. So you're gonna get the perfect nail tip that fits perfectly. It doesn't need to be too big or too small, so it's just need to be perfect. And then you need to have the slip solution. I'm using this one that comes with the kit, and you need to have the polygel brush. So as polygel, I'm using this one, which is clear pink polygel, and I'm just gonna put a small quantity into the nail tip, and then I'm gonna put the brush into the slip solution and gonna just start modeling the polygel according to my nail size and according to my requirements. And you're just gonna start doing like this, and if you feel that it's becoming harder, just dip your brush again in the slip solution and just start doing the thing again. And if you think that you picked up like a lot of slip solution, you just can remove it. And once you're satisfied with the result, you need to just press the nail tip on your nail. And once you have pressed it, you just need to remove all the excess from your cuticles. Make sure that you remove it, because once it's cured, it's going to be really difficult to remove it. And here it's going to be easy because it's still wet and it hasn't been cured. You can use, and you can easily remove it using the slip solution. And once you have fully removed it from the cuticle, you're just gonna go underneath your nail and just gonna make sure that the product underneath it's red. And after that, once you're gonna cure it, and once you have a cure, you can use a cuticle pusher to remove the nail from nail foam. And once you've done that, here I'm using a nail cutter to cut the nail size according to my needs. And once I'm done that, I'm just gonna start filing the nail and just gonna give the shape that I like. If you want to, you can give any shape, and I just wanted to have a kind of square shape, so I just prefer to leave it like that. And I'm just removing the sticky layer as well. Here this is the final result, and I have removed the dust from it. And this is how this one looks. This is the first technique, and now I'm gonna starting on the second nail. I did the same step, so I'm just removing the shiny layer from the base coat. And this one is better than the first one, because here you're just gonna put the product directly on your nail, and you're just gonna use the nail foam to press the product on your nail, and just gonna gently remove all the excess that's come out. This one is like easier than the first one, and it also take less time, because you're just gonna put the product directly in, and you know how much quantity you need, and you do not need to put again more quantity or something like that. This one is also less messy, because you already know the quantity of product that you need, and there is less product that comes from the side. And once you're done, you're just gonna cure it again. And once it's fully cured, you can remove the nail foam, and you can use a cuticle pusher, but you can also use your hands. And once you're done with that, I'm again gonna cut the nail again according to my needs. So I'm just want to have that length, and again I'm gonna give the shape that I want. I wanna have the square shape. I'm just gonna file it down, and I'm gonna remove the shiny layer. So this is how it's look after the filing. So these are the two results. The first one didn't come out like I like the first one. I don't like the first technique, because that one is difficult, and the second one is easy because you already know how it's gonna work. And this is the look that you can have if you put any nail polish over it. And as you can see, they actually look like real nails. They don't look like fake nail. And this is how they look. Here I used a pastel sky blue color, and this is how they look. So this is the final look of the nails after all the filing, and after I have used the nail polish over it. And here I'm gonna show you that I already removed the polygel extensions, and as I use the peel off paste coat, it's easy to remove them. Believe me, it's really easy. As you can see, they just remove out like a press on nail. You just need to dip your nails into warm water just for 5 to 10 minutes and you're good to go. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.